Hey everyone, this will be a super fast unboxing here of an iPhone 15 Pro in the blue titanium. So we'll go ahead and reveal the phone. Man, is that a beautiful color. Come back to that in just a second here. You have your braided cable right there. USB-C to USB-C, which is quite nice. And then we have, of course, a little bit of instructions and your big, good sized sticker. Of course, there is no charger, wall charger in here, just the cable. Pretty boring boxes these days, pretty boring unboxings for the Apples, but that is a very nice blue. There we go. You can see the island right there. Hopefully you guys can see that. And then the camera's right next to it. So again, do have USB type C, which is quite nice now. Along with your speakers, let's see, that should be the power button. We have the action button, and then our volume rocker, and of course the 3 camera setup right there. Very nice color. I really do like that blue. Like I said, very quick unboxing. Thank you all for watching. Hope you have a good one.